Every month my client sent me email with working hours for running payroll in Gusto, and I have to update in CSV template manually. This time I thought that I should use CHAT GPT and automate this repetitive task. So let's see how it works. I copy and pasted my client email in CHAT GPT and typed prompt that I am uploading CSV template in which update working hours against each employee's in regular hours column and give me updated file. Now I will upload Gusto CSV template and hit enter. Let's see how accurate ChatGPT in updating working hours. And here we go. File is ready. Now let's download file. Let's check accuracy. And the results are amazing. If you like this video, then subscribe for more such AI content which makes your life easy. Thank you for watching.